Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, would you like to eat condensed milk? Would you like to eat condensed milk? क्या आप खोया खाना पसंद करेंगे? Second, what are you turmoiling for? What are you turmoiling for? आप किस लिए तड़प रहे हैं? 3. You backbiter keep silent. You backbiter keep silent. चुगलखोर तुम तो चुप ही रहो. 4. Stop servility him. Stop servility him. उसकी चापलूसी करना बंद करो. 5. Do it speak and span. Do it speak and span. इसे फटाफट कर दो यानी इसे जल्दी जल्दी कर दो. 6. His tongue stammers a bit. His tongue stammers a bit. उसकी ज़बान थोड़ी हलखलाती है. 7. You are getting old. You are getting old day by day. आप दिन ब दिन बूढ़े हो रहे हैं. 8. He started to shaking due to fear. He started to shaking due to fear. वो डर की वजह से कांपने लग गया. 9. We often deceive ourselves. We often deceive ourselves. हम अक्सर अपने आप को धोखा देते हैं. The last one is 10. I didn't sleep well. I didn't sleep well. मैं रात को सही से सो नहीं. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.